This is my second assignment of Skyfi Lab online course on structural and foundational analysis. In this video, I am explaining the analysis of the structure by time history method and response spectrum method. So first of all, I am explaining about the response spectrum method. So for analyzing the structure by using response spectrum method, first you want to move on to define menu. In the define menu, we should click on to functions menu and then on to response spectrum option. After clicking on response spectrum option, provide the necessary details as shown on the screen. We should fill that columns on the screen on the basis of the details which we are getting from the IS code. After giving necessary details, click OK. Then in option menu, we can also view an option called display units. In that we can analyze the unit of the acceleration, which is in mm. After analyzing that, click on define menu and then load cases. So here we need to add a new case. So provide the load case name as response spectrum and load case type as response spectrum, and then in a column provided we should add the acceleration and the function as response spectrum, and we should write the value of scale factor as 1633.5, which is calculated from an equation which is in the code. Then in directional combination type, change to CQC3 option and click OK. And click OK again to exit the menu. Then we are going to analyze the structure by response spectrum method. So for that, go on to analyze menu and then click on to set load cases to run. So here we only need to run the response spectrum and seismic load. So we need to change the option to do not run in case of dead load and live load, and then click on to run now option. So now the software will start running analysis of the structure. Since it is a 23-story building, it will take some time, and the progress of the analysis can be viewed on the right bottom side of the screen. After analysis, the displacement value can be viewed on the 3D view. And now we can move on to design procedure. So for design, click on to design menu, click concrete frame design, and then start design check option, so that the software start running the design of the structure. This may take some time. After the design analysis is done, a dialog box may appear showing the concrete frames which does not pass the analysis. So we should click on to yes button to continue to design check. Repeat the procedure till the values are shown on 3D view. After designing, check all members pass in design menu. Click on the design menu and click on to view all members passed. So a dialog box will be appearing showing all members are passed. This ends the analysis of a structure by using response spectrum method. Now we can analyze the structure using time history method. So as we done before, we must move on to define menu and then click function menu. In that, click on time history option. There you change the function type as from file and provide a time history function name as time history, and here you should browse the file which is already downloaded from the site. After browsing that and clicking the necessary values, click on OK menu, then click on define menu again and move on to load cases option. In that, click seismic and then modify or lateral load. Since we are analyzing by using time history analysis, we should only provide in one direction, so provide only x direction, and then as we done earlier, provide necessary values and click OK. Sorry, there is a change in the menu which you should be selected. Instead of load cases, you should go to load patterns. Okay. Now then move on to load cases menu. Since we are analyzing using time history method, we need to delete response spectrum method. So delete response spectrum method and clicking on add new case, we can add new case of time history, and after clicking all the necessary details, click OK. Now we are going to analyze the structure using time history method. So for that, click on analyze menu and then start analyzing by clicking the option set load cases to run. So as we done earlier, click dead load and live load as do not run and then click run now option. So this process will take some time, and after analysis we will get the displacement happened in the structure on 3D view. By clicking on each point, we will get the displacement happened in at every point. After analysis, we can move on to design check. So for designing, click on to design option and then click on to concrete frame design, then start design check. After clicking start design check, it will take some time to design. After designing, the values can be displayed on the 3D view. The progress of the designing can be viewed on the right bottom side of the screen. So after designing, we can verify whether all members are passed or not by clicking on the option view all members passed. So a dialog box will appear showing all members passed. This means that our structure can withstand any load as per the requirement which we have already given. So the detailed analysis of structure of how we are doing is shown on the screen. I hope it's all well clear about the topic. Thank you.